Massillon, Ohio, Fire Suppression Contractor Bond. What is a Massillon, Ohio, Fire Suppression Contractor Bond? All fire suppression business license holders must furnish a surety bond of $10,000. This is done to guarantee that they will perform their duties in accordance with state laws, which can be grounds for claiming against the company's bond if these rules are violated by any of its employees or members who hold this type of permit. Why is the Massillon, Ohio, Fire Suppression Contractor Bond required? Businesses must purchase a bond to activate their license or permit. This guarantees that if the business fails to comply with licensing and permit laws, they will be compensated by the surety company for any damages incurred due to this negligence. How does a Massillon, OH, Fire Suppression Contractor Bond work? Getting a Massillon, Ohio, Fire Suppression Contractor Bond means you agree with the entity requiring it, called the obligé. Your surety company agrees to cover for you in case your clients or the public make claims against their contract and need payment from your bond. If there's ever any problems on either side of this agreement, only then will we get involved so that both parties can be satisfied. How much does a Massillon, Ohio, Fire Suppression Contractor Bond cost? Fire Suppression Contractor Bond is a type of surety bond that varies in cost and depends on the credit score of the applicant. Sometimes, personal or business financials may be required depending on what surety amount is needed for bonding purposes. To learn more, please visit swiftbonds.com.